So 5.2 whole square. So this can be written as 5 plus 0.2 whole square. So this is in the form a plus b the whole square. Now a is equal to here 5, then b is equal to 0.2. Now this is in the form a plus b whole square. Their first term is a square is there. So this can be written as a square. A square means 5 square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 5, b is 0.2. Then plus b square 0.2 whole square. 5 square is 25 plus, now see here, easy way, 2 into 5 you should write as it is. 0.2 it is in decimal, you should convert it into fraction. 2 by 10. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are, cancel it. Denominator 1 2, numerator 1 2 get cancelled. Then here this plus as it is. 0.2 whole square, that means you should multiply 0.2 into 0.2. Now just ignore the decimal point you should ignore, then you should take 2 2s are 4. So first you should write 4. Now after one digit point is there, so we are making square, that means after 2 digits you have to put the point. So already we got one digit, so put 1 0 here, then point, then 0. 0.04. So now what is the answer here? 25 plus remaining here 2 plus 0.04. Okay, now 25 plus 2 it become 27. 27 plus 0.04. 0.04. Add these two. 4 0 7 2. That means 27.04 is the answer. 27.04. Sixth question, 297 into 303. So this how to write now here? 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3. 300 plus 3, 303. 300 minus 3, 297. Now here first two terms are same. Second terms also same. 300, 300, here 3, 3. That means you know that one formula is there. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now a is equal to here 300, b is equal to 3. So this can be written as 300 whole square minus 3 square. So 3 square is 9. Here 2 zeros are there, make it 4 zeros. 9000 minus 3 square. 3 square means 9. So here how much? You need tens, 100,000, 10,000. 90,000 minus 9. So it become 89,991. Next question, 78 into 82. So this can be written as 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2. So here both are same. So again a plus b into a minus b, use this formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now here a is equal to 80 we should take, then b is equal to 2 we should take here. Then a square, according to that identity, a square means 80 square minus 2 square. Now you know that 80 square means we should multiply 80 into 80. So you know that 8 square is 64. 8 8 is a 64. Now here 1 0 is there, make it 2 zeros. Minus 2 square is 4. Now 6400 minus 4. So it become 6396. So 8.9 whole square. So this can be written as 9 minus 0.1 whole square. Okay, 9 minus 0.1. 9 minus 0.1, that is equal to 8.9 whole square. Now use a minus b the whole square identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is equal to 9, b is equal to 0.1. So this can be written as a square 9 square minus 2ab, b is 0.1, the next plus b square 0.1 whole square. Now here 9 square is 81 minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. Then plus 0.1, this can be written as 1 by 10 whole square. Now 81 you should write as it is, minus 2 9s are 18 you write, divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 1 square. 1 square means 1 divided by 10 square is 100. So 81 you should write as it is, minus 18 divided by 10 means your denominator 1 0 is there. So after one digit you put the point 1.8 plus, now here 2 zeros are there denominator. So here 1 is there, 1 digit we got, that means 1 0 you take here, point then 0. After 2 digits, 2 zeros are there, so after 2 digits you put the point. Now first you have to add 81 plus 0.01, then you have to subtract 1.8. Okay, so this is equal to 79.21. Ninth question, 10.5 into 9.5. So this can be written as 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5. Now it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equal to a square means a is equal to 10, here b is equal to 0.5. So you can take here 10 square minus 0.5 whole square. So 10 square is 100 minus, now here 0.5 whole square is there, that means you should multiply 0.5 into 0.5. So just to ignore the decimal point, you can take digit 5, 5 5s are 25. So you should write 25. After one digit point is here, you should make it put digit after 2 digit. After 2 digits you put the point. Now already we got 2 digits, just you put point. Then before this point we will take 1 0. 0.25. 100 minus 0.25. 100 minus 0.25. So this is equal to 99.75. In 100 rupees you can remove 25 paisa. Okay, so you will get 99 rupees 75 paisa.